What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another ding dong dish. Yeah, it's day. We know that, but
yeah.
My friend Tyson has to leave and he wanted to do it, so. And Easton's here too. So.
Oh, they're right there. He probably would tell. Hello.
No, not them. Gary. No, Easton, come here. You have to take the phone with you, but don't point it at that address at all. Like, point it at the ground, at the ground, at the ground. Point it at the ground the whole time. Dude,
I just threw the door open.
guys, that's crazy. We're pointing it at the ground for a safety. Oh, smell.
Here's the garbage. It smells like doo-doo. It's probably my dog.
Oh, bro.
This gotta be off, but okay. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a brand new train, so.
That's why it's so bouncy.
Yeah. Who's that?
Someone's playing with us.
What's that dude?
They can see through that thing. They're probably looking at us right now. Because they can see through their door. Do you see that wall?
They might have been right by their door and just watched me run. But yeah, guys, we doorbell this last night too
Not
with
it.
my other friends.
Not a problem.
But yeah.
I already did the next one, so it's kind of automatic. Who are we gonna doorbell this? Eventually they'll find out, cause like they probably talk.
Well, that's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. I know this is short, but bye. Bye. We don't really have that many people here because a bunch of them are like my mom doesn't want us to doorbell the chain for our safety. A bunch of them around here, so there's only like one person that's like that person. So, well, actually, that person's scary too, but yeah. But that's it for today. Peace, guys.